My name is Fredrik Ternström, and this is Fredrik Gransell. Today we'll take a closer look at the ET drill strings. First of all, Fredrik, what are the ET drill strings?
Yeah, the ET drill string, as you can see here, it's a complete drill string that will actually replace the existing ST68 and the ST58 drill strings. We also have smaller ET tubes, and they will replace the guide tubes that you use today to get a straighter hold. So that is the news.
Mm. And we are saying that these ET products, they will become a new industry standard. That's quite a bold statement, but can we back it up?
Yeah, no, it is, and the fact is we have actually been the industry standard for the past 30 years. As I said, the old system was the ST system, and the S actually stands for Epiroc. And for anyone that knows, Epiroc is part of the Epiroc family for many, many years. So we have been the industry standard. No one has been able to come out with a new system. But that is what we have done now, and what we have seen, we are very certain this will become the new industry standard. Mm-hmm.
So how do these drilling tools improve operational reliability and maximize uptime in the field?
Yeah, so I would say uptime very much connects to the service life, because when you have a Simba underground, all you want to do is drilling, because when you drill, that is actually when you create value and you unlock the profit, etc. So the higher service life, the more uptime you're gonna get, because you will spend much less time on actually changing drill strings, etc. And due to the new system we have across all of the tubes, you see it's a shoulder drive system. So you have shoulder drive from the shank, from the tube, and down into the drill bit. And this actually removes a lot of the stress from the pin threads, from the different threads, both the female and the male thread. And this will actually increase the service life tremendously and ultimately give you much higher uptime.
Mm. Yeah, we actually say in our sales material that we promise 100% longer service life and 15% higher penetration rate. Can you give some examples?
Yeah. No, and that is why we are so certain this will become the new industry standard with such a big improvement in service life. So like Fredrik said, 100% increased service life, basically twice the amount of service life. We have achieved that in our various field trials, all the way from Canada to underground mines here in Sweden as well.
Mm. And I mean, that sounds great. Can you elaborate on how the ET drill strings are designed for ease of use and simple maintenance?
Yeah, because we said now when this will be the new industry standard, not only want we to create a very profitable environment for our customers, but more importantly, the drill operators that will use these systems on a daily basis. We said we really need to create a very good environment and great customer experience for the drillers. So we said, how can we make very easy change of plan, ease of use, meaning when you change the tubes, etc., it should be very smoothly to do it. And we have done various things to actually do that. Might be difficult to see with the naked eye, but a lot of design have gone into the thread geometry itself, so it makes the coupling and uncoupling much more easy. It's also easier to understand when you need to change tubes, because before you might have had uneven wear on the male thread and the female thread, but ultimately you want to have more even wear on the threads. And now it's much more easy to actually spot the wear on the male thread, and that is actually also when you know it's time to change the system.
Mm. To me, this all sounds like more money in the pockets for our customers. I mean, significantly improved profitability. Is that right?
Yeah, that is correct. So you will unlock a lot of profit with this. So in one way, how can you unlock more profit from a customer point of view? Yes, the more you drill, the more value, the more ore you can potentially get out. But maybe even more important in underground long-hole production drilling, having a straight hole, meaning taking that carefully planned design into reality. That is very important. We have used completely different materials and the way we process the materials. So that means that the tube is more than twice as bending resistant, because when you drill, sometimes your drill string can bend when you put all the force through the drill string. With a very high bending resistance, you will ensure that you will get a straight hole, and a straight hole will mean that you will get the maximum ore recovery, you will minimize dilution, and potentially could even drill longer holes, which could massively reduce the cost for the mine operation, indirectly meaning much higher profits.
Yeah. And finally, can you go through the three main benefits again with the ET drill strings?
Yeah, so it's industry-leading uptime, it's ease of use, and the overall efficient workflow. It comes together as one really great drill string.
Mm. Well, there you go. Thank you so much, Fredrik, for explaining why these products are such a great addition to our customers' operations. You can find more information on epiroc.com, but also don't hesitate to reach out to your local Epiroc representative. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you.